Alright, so we have a 2007 Mazda 3 with the 2.3 liter 4-cylinder engine, and our issue is some foggy taillights, which is weird because it's both of them. So we're going to change said taillights with the help of my lovely assistant. So, first step is we need to get this liner down. Stick a light up there, you can see a little better. So liner comes down, we got this plastic housing here. So what we're gonna do, pull a little center out and pull that out, and allow you to pull this forward and then get your liner down ish. So what we're gonna do is remove this nut, and then the plugs. They got a little tab in them. See, plug there, and plug there, and then the two 10mm bolts, and then it should pull right out. So. You're on. So there's your socket right in there.
Is it off? Which way? Left?
It's gonna go counterclockwise.
Why?
Measurement, just pull them off. Maybe. Okay. It's been dismounted. So you gotta.
Oh, there's it.
Huh? Oh wow, there's a bunch of water in there. I don't know where it came from, but I didn't see it when I was sitting there. Oh. It's like those old platform shoes with the fishes in them. Huh. Looks like it's leaking back here. Maybe it just gets in there and runs along the top and then leaks out of there. Anywho, so obviously you're gonna pick some side. That's the right one. Ooh, we got a lot coming out. I thought they were supposed to be sealed. Anywho, so I'll put that in there. Might have to go in straight. Oh, hold on. There's probably a little alignment tab. Oh, right there.
Yes, right there.
Oh, this one's just got a lot of foam on it. The other one didn't have. Okay. I'll put those two nuts back on. You want to tighten it down, but you don't want to go too tight because you'll just rip nuts right out of the plastic. Or the studs, whatever they are. Careful how tight you go. two plugs back in. Stick the little, keep it back in there, like so, and you're done. Okay, your brakes work. Turn signal works. Turn the lights on. And the lights work. Alright. That works. Success. So, that is how you change a tail light on a 2007 Mazda 3. The other side is pretty much the same thing. I won't make you watch that. But in case you're wondering, that's how you do it. So, if I can help somebody, awesome. If not, let me know what we did wrong. What we might have done wrong. Anyway, thanks for watching.